Hey product enthusiasts, welcome back to Top 5 to Buy, where we unveil a lineup that's sure to impress. We've done the heavy lifting for you by researching product price and quality, so check out the description below for links to more details on each product and exclusive offers. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Clear-Lift Laundry Detergent Sheets. Clear-Lift Laundry Detergent Sheets bring power to your laundry routine. Pre-measured for simplicity, Clear-Lift sheets dissolve quickly in hot or cold water. Perfect for all types of washing machines. More than just stain removal, Clear-Lift is gentle on sensitive skin, safeguarding you from skin irritants. Embrace eco-friendliness with ingredients that decompose easily and packaging that's plastic-free. These lightweight sheets are travel companions, fitting snugly in your luggage. No more liquid leakage concerns. Be part of the Clear-Lift family and contribute to a greener world. Number 4. InSo Green Laundry Detergent Sheets. InSo Green's laundry detergent sheets redefine ease and efficiency. Say goodbye to cumbersome pods and liquids. Our sheets handle even the toughest stains. With powerful cleaning in every sheet, your laundry emerges crisp and fresh without fabric damage. Experience a garden fresh scent that's just right. Be kind to the environment with zero waste packaging. Our sheets dissolve quickly and work seamlessly in various cycles. One pack contains 40 sheets, enough for 80 loads, and each choice you make counts in reducing plastic waste. Join the journey of reducing plastic jugs and embrace the convenience of InSo Green's laundry detergent sheets. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Power Sheets Laundry Detergent. Arm & Hammer Power Sheets bring laundry to a new level of convenience and cleanliness. With a 50-count box, each sheet delivers a powerful, deep clean on dark and white clothing. Experience the satisfaction of no drips, spills, or plastic waste. Our lightweight, recyclable packs are designed for easy handling. Fresh linen scent adds a touch of luxury, while the concentrated formula efficiently tackles tough stains. Dissolve these HE laundry detergent sheets quickly in any temperature, achieving a deep clean in high-efficiency washers. Enjoy mess-free laundry, even on the go, with Arm & Hammer Power Sheets. Number 2. Sheets Laundry Club, as seen on Shark Tank. Sheets Laundry Club revolutionizes the way you do laundry. Our liquid-free, high-efficiency detergent sheets bring softness, wrinkle reduction, odor elimination, and a thorough clean to your clothes. Suitable for all colors, whites, and various water types, our sheets are eco-friendly and safe. Lasting 3 years, they are free from harsh ingredients and are even septic safe. Use them with ease. Simply drop a sheet into your washer. Dye-free, natural, and biodegradable, these sheets are a must-have for your laundry routine. For a cleaner, greener approach to laundry, join the Sheets Laundry Club today. Number 1. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. Get ready for a powerful clean with Earth Breeze. Formulated for sensitive skin, our eco sheets are hypoallergenic, vegan, and free from harsh chemicals. Say goodbye to bulky plastic jugs. 12 packs of Earth Breeze take up the same space as one plastic jug. Embrace sustainability. Our sheets dissolve with ease, leaving no plastic waste behind. Reduce your carbon footprint simply by switching to Earth Breeze's compact package. Experience the strength of a clean environment and cleaner laundry, all packed into Earth Breeze's Eco Sheets. So that concludes our exploration of these top products. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to show your support by quickly liking and subscribing. Also, dive into the description below for links to explore these products further and secure your own at fantastic prices. Thanks for being a part of Top 5 to Buy. Until next time, my friends.